Welcome to our cooking channel. We have butter. We're making popcorn. We decided we would loop you guys in on this experience that I have.
Correct.
We took a rinsed bowl, a rinsed pot that's being burnt, and I probably shouldn't have touched it. It has oil in it. It has a lid, and we have popcorn. I touched it.
That's not good.
It's fine. I'm gonna touch you.
Oh man, I love. Well, here's our butter. Melted butter. You see? No, you don't. Butter. It's yellow. If your butter's not yellow, you're doing something wrong. What? Why?
I'm missing something.
He's missing something.
Never mind, I found it.
He found it. Okay.
That's me, Mitch.
Hello.
LA, you
No.
want George to come back?
Fuck no.
Well, everyone, we have some news for you. We may have some new personas.
I hate George.
Also, Ellie hates George. That's the direction.
And there's also this country dude named.
Yeah.
Cole.
Yeah.
You see how it popped?
He's a cowboy. My eyebrows are wiggling. You can't see them.
Mm-hmm.
Show them my wiggling eyebrows.
Orange.
Show them my... See, it's wiggling.
So now that they've popped, okay.
Excusez-moi.
Excusez-moi?
Excusez-moi. It's French.
We're making popcorn.
We're making popcorn.
We're gonna add
We're popcorn. LA.
cup kernels. Oh, it popped. Buttercup.
Put the lid back on.
Actually, I'm gonna make a bunch of popcorn. I just need another. Okay. Keep an eye on that.
It's about to kill us all. Oh, it's not even on. It's not even on.
Keep it on.
I did.
Okay, watch them.
I'll watch them.
Yo.
Hey, I'm watching you. Pretty.
Hey, pretty ladies, won't you come to me? Won't you let me be your daddy? Come see me.
Daddy. I think you mean Danny. Oh, by the way, guys, George likes Danny. I know this is normally Brittany's and Ash's job, but
And Cole
they're mad.
likes Jessica.
Yeah, but Jessica only loves herself, and that's it.
So now we got a bigger bowl.
It's almost as big as Danny.
I know, Danny's got a big cock. I don't know. No, it's actually pretty small. He's an average white man. It's like 50. What?
Yeah.
Right? He's about 50.
He has a crush on me, but like... Yeah.
Weird.
He can have George. He can have George.
I think George is too old for his taste.
What do you mean? George is like my age.
Oh, I thought George was like 20.
Why would George be 20?
I don't know. He feels like a 20-year-old white man.
You...
British man.
You feel like a 20-year-old white man. Sorry. I'm sorry, LA. Did I upset you? Did I pain your
I'm
feelings?
gonna beat you, George. Throat punch him.
I'm back. Okay. That was George.
Back in business,
George
bitches.
took over. George does that. I turn British a lot. So I put a name to the voice. And that name is George. You look like a Kardashian.
Hey, pretty baby. Oh?
I can't speak. This is why Americans have to take English.
American.
Because they don't know how to speak English.
It's eating.
That was a Rebecca impulse. Rebecca likes making you want.
Ian's taking a timeout.
Please don't have me anymore. We don't want anything anymore. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, we're. We don't like this. I'm sorry, guys. He's in a mood today.
Please speak to me, Ellie.
I don't know what his mood is.
I'm sorry, Ellie.
He's in
I'm sorry. Harder. Glare at me. Visually perceive me.
help.
Please look at me again. Please look at me again. Why are you flipping me off?
I'm not.
Is it on camera?
No.
Oh, okay, good. I don't think you can do that.
Where's my pointer finger? See? See, guys? Don't you see, guys?
Am I still in timeout?
Yes.
Darn it. LA.
What?
Perceive me more.
No.
Visually perceive me.
No.
Look at me. Look in
No.
my direction. Gaze at me.
No.
Glare at me.
No.
Glare hatefully at me.
No.
Let me feel your hate through your eyes.
No.
Look into my soul, Ellie. Let me see into yours. Let me see how angry
You hear it
you are.
popping, guys? Feel how warm it is.
I'll feel you.
Bitch, no, you won't. You're in timeout. You're in timeout. No. Back in timeout.
Did you guys see me at all?
Now they do.
I was invisible. Whoosh! I'm in timeout. I'm not allowed. You're not allowed to visually perceive me. So really, they're in timeout. They don't get to experience my beauty. My beauty. My booty. I might have a problem.
Mike, you do.
Ellie. Wow, look at all that white stuff. It reminds me of Danny.
Bro.
Am I still in
So
timeout?
now we got the popcorn in here.
Well, I'm in the bowl. I'm in the bowl. Show them me in the bowl.
No. You want to add
bowl.
a bit of butter?
In the bowl. I'm in the bowl. Ellie's thighs are also in the bowl. I'm in the bowl, guys. You can see my hair. Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, now we put some butter on here.
Ellie, I'm in the
You
bowl.
want to add some salt?
Bowl. I'm in the bowl.
Eden.
Yes.
You're out of time now.
I'm out for a whole new world. I think it's burning. It's a lot of stuff. I'm sorry. Ellie, I'm sorry for the way that I've been behaving as of late.
I'm going to drizzle it. Yeah, like that. You can do it in that circle.
I'm drizzly.
Bro. Do I need to be put on butter job?
Bro.
No. Butter job. See that drizzle? Oh, man. Take your just so you can see the drizzle.
Drizzle.
He's a lot to deal with.
I'm a little special right now. I'm sorry. I'm killing myself.
Add some of this.
Sorry.
And then you guys want to see a trick?
Ah.
Look at this. You're good.
You know, bitch. Is this hot?
Yes.
Is this
Should be.
hot?
No.
You're hot.
So now we want to add this, the rest of this, in the bowl.
I felt the smoke.
What?
The smoke touched me.
So now we want to add, drizzle this butter in here. Like this.
Into the unknown.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown. He's a lot. I'm sorry. Okay,
I'm the crazy one of mine.
that's correct.
They can't see me in my beautiful dance. Drill on me. Bitch. Yay. I'm in it. I'm in the vertex.
Shit!
Where are you going to leave me alone? How do I follow you? Take it, Ellie.
Into the unknown. And your popcorn is done.
Let me eat it.
Ain't it good?
Let's get real up in their faces.
Hi. It was blocked.
Ellie. Ellie.
No.
Ellie.
You know what? We're gonna add some more butter.
You can bet you're better than me.
No. This is a children's channel.
And I'm a child. It's my teethers. It's my chompers.
Into the unknown. Okay, guys. Okay, no. Yes. You don't need any more salt. It's alright.
Me.
Bippy boppy boop. He's dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm 6 feet
That
under.
one's really good.
It's stuck in my teethers. It's my chompers.
Maybe you shouldn't do that.
Guys, you should make me a meme. On the big one.
He's special. Don't mind him. Ow, ow. Dude, you're gonna make me smell hot butter.
Oh my god. The sun! It blinds me! Oh. I can see your booty.
Freak.
Did your booty.
Did you?
Put it on my tongue.
It's hot butter.
Oh man. Do you think there are pedophiles watching this?
Probably.
Hi, pedophiles.
Come see the ass.
Do you think they want to do strange pedophilia things to us?
Probably.
I'm like your child. Am I your child?
No.
I mean, what am I then?
Nothing.
I'm nothing. I'm going to consume you all. Why am I nothing?
I don't know.
Guys, you should comment down below what I am. It's like right here or something. I don't know. I see people do that. I don't really know what it means. I'm looking at myself. I'm not looking at you. I'm gonna look at you.
Hey guys, be careful. This is hot. There we go.
So.
Popcorn. He's done. Peace
Oh.
out.
We're about to go over.
Love y'all.
I'm gay.